Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the battery drain issue on OneUI 7. Now to do that, first of all, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. Now for that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now from here, just disable any unnecessary connections from here. Like if you're using Wi-Fi on your smartphone, just disable the mobile data on your smartphone. And if you're not using Bluetooth, just disable Bluetooth. And the same goes with the location and the NFC on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer on your smartphone. Now from here, just delete any bloatware on your smartphone. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app on your smartphone. And from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just select dark mode. After that, just enable adaptive brightness. Now, once you enable adaptive brightness, your smartphone will automatically adjust the brightness of the screen depending on your environment. Now, after that, just tap on motion smoothness. Now, instead of high, just select standard and tap on apply. Now, after that, just go back and tap on battery. Now, from here, just enable power saving. Now, once you do that, just tap on background usage limits. Now from here, just tap on sleeping apps and tap on the plus icon over here. Now from here, just select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. Just like that. Now once you select the apps which you don't want to run in the background, just tap on add. Just like that. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on location. Now just tap on location services. Now from here, just scroll down and from here, just make sure you disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Just like that. Now, in some cases, this problem is caused when you use a third-party charger on your smartphone. Now, just make sure you use Samsung's own charging cable and adapter to charge your smartphone. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then the battery drain problem on your smartphone is most likely caused because of the OneUI 7 software update. Now, just wait for a software update to fix your issue. Or you might have a hardware problem with the battery on your smartphone. Just take your phone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the battery drain issue on OneUI 7. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.